Hello and welcome. You're watching a yet new episode of The Glam Show. This is Akanksha. If one wants to check out the marvels of Indian wedding, one would definitely turn on to Indian bridal wear. Indian Dulhan truly reflects the love and affection we the Indians have in this sacred beginning of one's married life. And if it's you getting married this season, your wedding attire has got to be very special and exclusive. In this episode of The Glam Show, we're certainly going to help you check out some latest trend in the bridal wear this season, so that you look ever so stunning and beautiful on your D-Day. The big fat Indian wedding is all about beautiful clothes, loads of jewelry and days of celebration. The Indian wedding is a very long and elaborated affair that contains many ceremonies. We have welcome ceremony, mehendis, dance, music rituals, that is sangeet, reception, bidai and what not. And every ceremony requires an exclusive and traditional bridal wear. So keeping in mind the demands of today's Indian weddings, today's Indore markets are flooded with the superb collection of designer wears. Among the bridal wears, lehengas are the all-time favorite. Lehengas को वैसे तो काफ़ी ethnic और traditional माना गया है, लेकिन they are very fashionable too. इनके cuts, patterns और deep work keep changing every year. पिछले साल काफ़ी light colors fashion में थे, जैसे peach, light green, light pink and light orange, लेकिन इस बार bright और deep colors are in vogue. Similarly, silver is out and gold is in. Golden embroidery काफ़ी fashion में है that goes fantastically well with the gold jewelry. To know more about what kind of lehengas are in vogue this season, let's speak with Mrs. Vatsala. Hello.
Hi.
What kind of lehengas are in vogue, especially what kind of colors are in vogue this season?
Colors this season are mostly in deep, as in this one we are seeing here is in deep maroon. Similarly, deep bottle green is in, wine color, golden color, all these colors are in this season.
Golden looks are very prominent in all the lehengas this season. So why is it so? Why silver is out? What's the reason?
Every season has a different taste. Like last year when we saw the wedding season, mostly peach, light pink and yellow colors with silver work were in. This season we see all deep shades with golden colors. So it's just the taste.
Right. And what kind of fabrics are in fashion this season?
Fabrics mostly, lehengas are in crepe with the dupatta in georgette. In this one particularly we can see a velvet patch, which is something new. it gives the lehenga a designer taste with all zardozi and stonework.
Okay. And what kind of work? So Zardozi and stonework is the most dominant work this season, right? Or any other work?
Zardozi gota stone with brocade borders, which gives them a heavy look, basically.
And what about other colors, light colors? Like if customers come to you and demand for some, light colors which are no more in vogue, what do you do?
Not in lehengas, they won't demand because everybody now sees in TV kya chal raha hai, kya nahi. So basically light colors are still in saris and suits, but not in lehengas. Lehengas mein basically all deep and dark colors.
थैंक्स लॉट फॉर स्पीकिंग विद अस. सो हमने देखा कि किस तरह के लहंगास इस बार ट्रेंड में है. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू साड़ीज. लेट्स सी किस तरह की साड़ीज इस बार इस सीजन वोग में है. Indian lehengas are rich in textures, crepes, georgettes and silks in a wide array of vibrant colors, embroidered with full antique work, kasab, zardosi, sequins, resham, stone, kundan, fancy work and much more. Talking about the colors first, deep bright colors are in vogue. Deep maroon, bottle green, deep wine and golden rust. ये colors है इस season bright के favorites. लहंगे में फैब्रिक्स में ट्रेडिशनल सिल्क एंड ब्रोकेट्स को रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं अ लिटिल हेवी वैरायटी ऑफ शिफॉन्स एंड जॉर्जेट. रीजन साफ है, दे गिव अ थिकर फॉल टू द लहंगा, एडिंग टू द ग्रेस ऑफ द ब्राइड. लहंगे में इस बार क्रेप टॉप पर है और दुपट्टे में जॉर्जेट सबसे ज्यादा कॉमन है. वर्क की बात करें तो ऑल्दो एथनिक इंडियन एम्ब्रॉयडरी लाइक जरदोसी, रेशम, आरी लुक क्लासी, crystal and beads play an integral part of bridal wear today. इसके अलावा स्टोन और गोटा के वर्क के साथ ब्रोकेड बॉर्डर ब्राइडल लहंगे को एक बेहद हेवी और हटके लुक देती है. Indian wedding is all about the celebration of the traditions और यही वजह है why the sarees are making a huge comeback this season. वैसे तो इंडियन ब्राइड की साड़ी हमेशा से इटर्नल फेवरेट रही है whenever it comes to wedding attire, लेकिन इस साल with revealing cut blouses they look simply sensuous. साड़ियों में delicate yet intricate work is in, so lace and knits are hot favorites. फैब्रिक में बनारसी नेट, खादी और ब्रोकेट आर न्यू एंड इन ह्यूज डिमांड दिस सीजन. ट्रेडिशनल फैब्रिक्स जैसे जॉर्जेट और क्रेप का क्रेज भी खत्म नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन सिंस प्लेन जॉर्जेट और प्लेन क्रेप नो वन लाइक्स, इसीलिए इन पे खादी वर्क और ब्रोकेट के पैचेस काफी पॉपुलर है. ब्राइट कलर्स जैसे येलो, ऑरेंज, रेड आर बैक अगेन, बट विद ब्यूटिफुल कंट्रास्ट लाइक डीप रेड विद ग्रीन, bright contrast like yellow and orange, and a very ethnic contrast of camel maroon that looks really elegant. लहंगों की तरह साड़ीज में भी all you are going to find is the grand golden work. गोल्डन सिर्फ वर्क ही नहीं बल्कि बेस कलर के रूप में भी काफी पसंद किया जा रहा है. बॉर्डर्स में ब्रोंज बॉर्डर इज द न्यू टेस्ट दिस सीजन. When a bride walks down the aisle wearing a spectacular bridal sari or lehenga, she must really feel confident and on top of the world, knowing that everyone is staring at her, saying, "Wow, she looks stunning." To keep at par with the changing times, bridal wears are no longer restricted to ethnic wears. They have gradually molded themselves into a fantastic fusion of salwar kameez fashion. Morning rituals or ceremonies के लिए now brides are free to try out something like short kurtas and churidars as well. So ma'am, what kind of salwar kameez are we going to see this wedding season?
This season mostly the fabrics coming in suits are raw silk, chanderi, brocade and crepes. So it gives them a heavy look for the bride. So,
what kind of colors are there in both?
Mostly deep and bright colors, maroon, wine, golden, bottle green, all these colors.
Anything new or unique this season in suits?
Basically what we see here, these are this one is in raw silk with a brocade patching at the yoke and plus at the daman. Then it has a gote ka kaam hai pure mein, and the sleeves are basically always chiffon, georgette or net, which are full sleeves and with a heavy border. Yeah, look at the bottom. और दामन में जो आप काम देखेंगे दैट इज ऑल जरदोजी एंड स्टोन. क्रेप की सलवार है इस पे एंड जॉर्जेट का दुपट्टा.
Ma'am, why don't we see heavy dupattas this season?
They are out. They were mostly in last season. The suit was very light and the dupatta was heavy, but not this time. Basically stoles अभी चल रहे हैं and very light dupattas only with borders.
Only churidars, no patiala, no other salwar or something?
Churidars.
Only churidars. Okay, and what about the work? Like you said in lehengas, silver is out. What about the suits? Is silver is out here as well?
Mostly.
We see only golden patches that.
Gota and yeah, or golden work.
Suits में bright and deep colors are hot favorites this bridal season, जैसे maroon, wine, gold, bottle green, red. हर छोटी से छोटी wedding ceremony के लिए different kinds of suits are available in the bridal wear market. अब wedding है तो heavy suits are a prerequisite, and that's why heavy fabrics जैसे crepe, brocade, raw silk and velvet are most common. Kurtis are primarily in short and frock pattern. इन्हें sober look देने के लिए crushed cotton का भी यूज किया गया है. सलवार्स और पटियालास को रिप्लेस किया है चूड़ीदार और लेगिंग्स ने. The most astonishing feature of kurtas this season is their full transparent sleeves with heavy borders in georgette and crepe fabric that give a wonderful, feminine and trendy look. Well, when it comes to bridal wear, uniqueness is the prerequisite. Bridal wear इतना unique और exclusive होना चाहिए that it sets aside the bride from the rest of the wedding bandwagon. Well, we agree it's your wedding today, but you need not necessarily wear something essentially Indian. You can also wear something funky, free-flowing, textured and contemporary that has the essence of youthfulness in it and yet has the bridal wear look. In this segment of the Glam Show, हमने आपको acquaint कराया with the latest trends of the bridal wears this season. But don't forget, at the end of the day, it has to have your personal touch because after all, it's your wedding और ये आपका style statement होना चाहिए. On this note, it's time for me, your VJ Akanksha, to say goodbye. You keep watching BTV Yuva क्योंकि ये ज़माना है We the Youngsters का.